Hey everyone, welcome to day 16 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that many people do, and they use this as a marketing strategy in their store. I don't always recommend this. It does work, but a better marketing strategy would be building a sustainable business where you have customers that come back and buy from you over and over and over. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't try this hack that I'm about to mention. It just means that don't use it as a way to build your business, because in the long run, to build a sustainable business, you need to grow your brand, you need to have an email list, you need to create products, cater to your target audience, etc. But one thing that you will hear a lot of people say, and even Etsy says this, that recency, and I'm reading this from Etsy, to keep search results fresh for frequent shoppers, Etsy's algorithms reviews how recent an item was listed or relisted. So recency is when you renew your listings all the time. So I always hear people say, oh, I should be doing that all the time. Well, you could technically, but a better strategy, right, would be to build a business to make sure that you are showing up every day, that you're consistent, that you're creating products for your audience, like I just said a few minutes ago, that you are building your email list, you're building a list of customers that will buy from you over and over and over. So therefore, you could always have traffic and not rely on these short-term strategies that might help you today, but if Etsy removes it tomorrow, or it might not even help you in the long run, which is what I'm trying to say. So I wanted to make sure that I clarify that, because I don't want to be teaching stuff that will hinder you or hinder your mindset. I want you guys to be able to build a business the right way, but these are some things that you could do occasionally. Now, what I recommend is that if you have free listings like I do, I have a whole bunch of them in my store, it does make sense to have a strategy in place that every so often, the listings that haven't sold, that I go ahead and go right here, click on the listing that you want to renew, and click on renew. And it's going to tell me, by choosing renew, you agree to pay the non-refundable listing fee. So they're going to charge you 20 cents. However, if you have free listings, you wouldn't pay anything. Like I'm not paying anything at the moment. And I could go ahead and renew this particular listing. And Etsy likes that. Etsy likes when you have recency or new listings in your store. However, it doesn't mean that you should be renewing all of your listings all the time, or just adding random listings just to keep the algorithm happy, because in the long run, you're going to feel burnt out. You're not going to build a sustainable business the right way. And this strategy only works for a short period, right? If you don't have any products that you could add, and maybe you don't have free listings, now you're constantly paying all the time to renew the listing. So keep that in mind. But this is a strategy that many people use. It's just renewing your listings pretty often. Now, keep in mind that if you do have, like I mentioned, free listings, then I recommend keeping up, having like a strategy where you say, okay, this listing hasn't sold in the last, let's say 4 months. So I'm going to go ahead and renew it right now. So therefore, it's like every 4 months. Because when you renew a listing, it usually lasts for 4 months if you don't make a sale. So I think that's a good time span in order to be renewing your listings. Let me know if you have ever heard of this strategy in the comments below. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share. I will see you on the next Etsy hack video.